Hey, Tim Kerley here with your Friday FAQ. And this week's question is, what about land loans? What we're talking about here is a loan on a piece of property that does not have a dwelling on it. This is a question that comes up quite often, actually. So when we talk about traditional mortgages, we're talking about conventional loans through Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. You've got your government programs through FHA, VA, or USDA. All of those programs are for residential properties only, residential properties with residential dwellings, and there's no option there really for a loan on raw land. With one exception, and that is if you are doing a construction loan and you're going to buy the land and then build a home on it right then. If you're going to go ahead and buy the land and immediately start building on it, you're ready to go with that, then you could purchase the land as part of your construction loan. You could do the whole thing under the construction loan umbrella. But if it's a situation where you're going to buy the land and you're going to maybe hold it for a few years and then build your home, or maybe you're buying a large acreage tract that you're just going to hold on to, or you have other plans for, then you're going to need to seek other types of financing. Typically, what I recommend to my clients is to check with a small local bank, or maybe one of the farm or rural lending institutions that might be able to handle that type of loan. Now, you need to also understand that on those types of loans, you're going to need a larger down payment because the collateral, raw land, is viewed as really not as marketable as is a residential property. And to break it down even further, in many cases, if you're talking about an improved lot in an established subdivision, well, that's going to be viewed very differently than, let's say, a 75-acre rural lot. Well, why is that? Because the 75-acre lot is harder to determine marketability on that. You've got to have comparable sales for the appraisal, and that will be hard to do because how many 75-acre tracts sell that often? Well, it depends on your area. So you should look for a larger down payment on land loans, probably starting at least 25% down, maybe even up to as much as 40 or 50% down, depending on the lender. So I hope that information is helpful to you. If you have more specific questions on land loans, please feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to help. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon.